This is a very impressive team. One of the things that I really noticed about the Filipino teams is you've got your training very tight. Almost everybody is about the same size weight. Your boats are very well balanced, and your timing is incredibly tight, even with a very fast stroke. So you've got, if you record your races on a video, it's so fast that it looks like a chaos. But if you watch that video in slow motion, you can see the timing is actually just right, and you're still getting the blade down and getting bite on the blade. So this is something that is only a few teams in the world I've actually witnessed able to do this. So this is something you should be very proud of, and I think you folks should keep training the way you're training, and I would expect to see you in a lot of the prominent world championships that are coming up in the next years. Ravenna this year, I'll probably see you there. And I expect you folks to perform very well, so you can be assured that I'll be cheering for you guys, all right?